So James Hardie siding will last at least 30 years. There's nothing to, they're backed up for, their warranty is 30 years and it's non-prorated. There's nothing that says that it won't last longer than that. When you're considering the durable nature of the product, the fiber cement, fiber cement doesn't expand and contract like other products. It's dimensionally stable. That is really what contributes to its longevity. Now, when you're looking at the other pieces of a siding system, caulking, those kinds of things, those are going to have, you know, a shorter life cycle than the James Hardie siding. So, what I would recommend is every 15 to 20 years, you know, have your caulking checked out. Typically, you're going to want to, you know, refresh the look after 15 or 20 years. So, if you have a painter there doing that, they can check the caulking and make sure that everything looks good there. But as long as James Hardie siding is installed properly, there's nothing to say that it's not going to last 40 or 50 years.